Today we're going to be talking about selecting the right tool for the job. The job we're talking about today is going to be pruning. With pruning, you have either a saw or pruner options. The pruners are going to offer a cutting action, whereas the saw is going to be sawing motion. We have larger versions of these in the loppers and the pole saw, and if the job is big enough, you may need to resort to a chainsaw. If you're going to be using a chainsaw, make sure that you have the proper safety equipment. On this tree, we've identified two issues that we're going to deal with. A smaller branch down here is really for aesthetics. We're going to take our small pruners. The diameter of this branch is small enough to where our hand pruners can get them. You just want to make a cut close to the base of the branch. Now our second branch is a little bit higher. Before we make our cut, we're going to put on our safety glasses, and I've selected the pole saw for this task. I'm going to get close to the base of the branch and begin your cuts. I don't want to get on a ladder and use a hand saw. I'd rather stay firmly on the ground and cut from the ground. Now that you've made your cut, you can take your branch and safely dispose of it. And we've seen now in two different situations how with a small branch you can use the hand pruners. With a larger branch up higher, you may use the pole saw. Selecting the right tool for the job is important in pruning.
Thanks for watching. We have other quick tips. Just subscribe below.